Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice, iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities. We do get the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, your tow hitch receiver, your handy-dandy backup camera, tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on either side. We got blind spot detection, turn light in, spotlight indicated mirrors, side view camera. We do get a remote start on this vehicle with a black hood deflector, recovery hook, front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior with plenty of door space in the back. We got cup holders in storage, rear vents, rear outlets, and of course a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a powered driver's seat, powered passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do get plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, tailgate lights, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 7.8 kilometers. Got this nice leather wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen with voice and playback, play forward, voices over here, volume, phone, cruise control. We got your digital speedometer and RPMs, all the usuals there with my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, with towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got a collapsible gear select with storage cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, center console that is lockable with more storage below, rear locking diff, drive modes, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, dual climate up front with heated front seats, 12 volt, 120 volt, storage above, below, on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got your auto stop, auto start right here, and looking at your main screen, you have traction hazards, that big screen, 360 view of the vehicle where you can go for different camera angles, and looking here we do get our audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls, with navigation, zoom in and out, little red dot showing your vehicle's bin, you can search recent saved, have your audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting. Any app you may download will show up right here with the App CarPlay and Android Auto with your settings just right here. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE34047, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.